guys, I'm Catherine with my friend Megan here, and we're gonna go sell some Girl Scout cookies. You know, yeah, so let's go. Here's our first house. Let's show.
What do you want?
We want to know if you wanted to buy some Girl Scout cookies. That was very nice of them. Yeah, so hopefully our next house will buy some cookies. So let's go. Alright. So, here's our next house. Okay, here we are. So, let's go.
Yes?
Hey, we're selling Girl Scout cookies. You want to buy some?
No, thank you. I'm fine.
What? You kidding me? Okay, these people need to really buy some Girl Scout cookies. Okay, I mean, seriously, look at that cookies. They look so good. We only have one more house left on our block, and if they don't buy it, all hope is lost. Okay? So, let's go. There it is. There's the last house. Okay. You open the door so long.
Yes.
Oh, we're selling Girl Scout cookies. We wanted to know if you want to buy some.
How much are they?
Well, let me see something here. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cookies.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, $5, please.
Okay, let me go get the money.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Here you go.
What? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Here's your cookies, please. Here's your cookies. Okay. All right. Bye. Thank you.
Thanks for doing business.
Yeah. $5 bill. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Here goes cookies.
He likes the cookies. We need $5. Yes. We sold the cookies. Okay, bye guys. Thanks. We're gonna go spend our money. All right. Bye.